Alright, Mr. Feeney, here is the answer to the question you asked us to write out and then talk about. So we had to factor this quadratic equation. So it's x squared minus 7x minus 18. The first thing I did right over here was I took the multiples, or the factors, which then you multiply them to get negative 18. So negative 2 and 9, 2 and negative 9, negative 3 and 6, and 3 and negative 6 there. So I have those, right, I have those there. Alright, and then what I did is, because I knew that these need to come down here, this x, because it's a square, I could put that in both sets of the factor. So I've taken care of that, I've taken care of that, and now I need to figure out which of these need to go there. And to me, this just looks the best. So I'm going to add that there. So that's how I got my final answer of x minus 3, x plus 6, bada bing, bada boom.